Hello guys, today I just received one box sending from Chinese. They're sending this box using PDX Express. I have a order a request to buy AIS pilot plug KSN55-C. First of all, I would like to unboxing and then I take out the paper. What kind of paper? This is a certification from my order, identification and classification report for air transporter of good. This is the issues. This is the new one. May 19, 2021. This is the company KSN Electronic Technology, and this is my order. AIS pilot plug KSN55. It's contain lithium battery. It's sending from Beijing. Okay, let's go to unboxing to check my order. Very good packing. This one my order, KSN Tech model KSN55-C. Made in Chinese. AIS the equipment. Let's go to check what is content. This paper. This one content for barcode, scan for manual. If you need to understand how to use this AIS plug, you can scan this manual. This one for cable AIS pilot plug. This one is charger. AIS pilot plug. This one is pilot plug KSN55C, including with battery. Okay, and then this one I ordered one set for external battery. In case the battery is low bat, you can change with the new one. This one. Okay, let's go for to check to clarify the content and capacity for battery. The battery is model lithium with 7,000 capacity. This is very big. Charging DC 4.24. This product is original from KSN Tech, made in Chinese. This one you can see the capacity external battery. The external capacity battery, this is our order with separate requisition. This is external requisition. So this one, okay guys, this one is AIS pilot plug KSN55. Here have button for power. This is the second one, button for menu. The left side is the antenna. Antenna you can take like this. We can take little bits to small antenna to make vertical. Okay. Here right is the indicator dual channel AIS receiver. It means dual channel AIS receiver. This equipment receive a signal from another vessel, signal AIS with this antenna. In case if you need to using this antenna, you can use AIS plug to connect with the ship AIS plug. Another side is have rubber to open. This is contain 3 holes. The first one for AIS plug, connection AIS plug. Here the middle is reset and the other one for charger DC in charger. And then this one to release the battery from AIS plug. Okay, let's go to checks. Press button around 3-5 seconds, incoming indicator like this. This indicator, the small indicator, this is for Wi-Fi, connection Wi-Fi, connection Bluetooth, connection USB, this AIS connection, and this one waiting for GPS synchro. Okay guys, this AIS plugs already received position. This one 1.8, this mean is position accuracy for position latitude and longitude, speed over ground, rate of turns, and we're using AB with AIS. This is for dual channel, so we can use only Wi-Fi and we close for Bluetooth, USB, the connection. How to make this one? You can press the menu around 5 seconds and then coming like this, the main menu. We can select this one and then we coming to Wi-Fi, and come back, and Wi-Fi on, and Bluetooth, I like to Bluetooth off, this one, and USB also I like to Bluetooth off, and then exit. This is communication already. This AIS GPS I like on, that often also on, this is off, and then this AIS also on, and then exit. System, this is I need to upgrade version, and reload is no need to use this one. And help, this is very important if you need to make connection between AIS plug to your mobile phone, also your iPad, tablet, especially for Wi-Fi. You can remember IP address 192.168.2.1, also port 8888. Password, the password connection for Wi-Fi 1234567 8, and Bluetooth key 1234. Okay, let's go. This is already finished. Now is AIS plug is ready make connection with using the antenna. Let's go to check using mobile phone make connection Wi-Fi. KSN, this is the password 1234567 8. Before I already make connection, this one, and then again open using OpenCPN. So one by one the targets coming. This one, for example, I would like to open this target. This is from another ship. Can have information from AIS plug. Okay, very good. It's normal working, or we can use iSeller. You can use this one also. You can find this another ship. 1 2 3. You can take from this AIS plug, also this one. This one, the information already one vessel searching by AIS plug. You can open. Okay. Okay guys, thank you very much for tutorial today. Unboxing for I order ice block.